Before planting my tomato plants in spring, I always use this simple kitchen trick, and it really helps them grow stronger and healthier. If you want thick stems, lush green leaves, and a better tomato harvest, try using baking soda the right way. First, before planting, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of baking soda per square meter over your soil. This helps balance soil acidity, which tomatoes love for healthy growth. When planting your tomato seedlings, add just a small pinch of baking soda into each planting hole. It may seem tiny, but it helps the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. Now let's make a simple liquid solution. Take 1 liter of water and mix in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well, and use this to water your tomato plants at the roots once a week. For extra protection, pour the same solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the leaves. This helps protect tomatoes from fungus and mold. I've used this method on my tomato plants, and the results are amazing. Just remember, don't overdo it.